Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. And I've been in the lubricants business for 38 years, and I started out my career with Kendall Oil and then became vice president of a company called American Refining Group. I created the Grade 1 green oil line. And I've been with VP for approximately 4 years, and we developed an outstanding line of racing oils. And one of those oils that we've created is our Prograde racing oil line. And this is a full synthetic racing oil. It contains a typical 2,000 parts per million zinc, 2,500 parts per million phosphorus. In addition, we add multiple anti-wear chemistries to this oil. One thing that differentiates this product from other products in the marketplace is we use a very unique dispersant friction modifier in this oil. What it does, it significantly reduces the fluid-to-fluid friction and metal-to-fluid friction. Once you do that, you lower your operating temperature and increase your torque and horsepower. In addition, we put in a very aggressive detergent package in this oil which helps control deposits and also the oxidation stability of the oil, so it takes a lot longer for this oil to oxidize than other oils in the marketplace. This product comes available in a 020, 530, 1040 and a 1550, and we feel this oil is second to none in the marketplace. We appreciate you using VP products, including our line of racing oils.